Alright, so I know I've been gone a while. So like probably about a month. You know, the birth of my daughter, she took up all my time. She's still taking up all my time. But so yeah, I'm still Project Cocaine White, but I kinda caught another vision real fast, you know. And I was like, yo, let me hop on this because I feel like this will be a good it's more of an investment thing, but it's a little bit of fun too on the side, but it's more of like an investment thing. So my new adventure is ATVs, dirt bikes, four wheelers, off road, all terrain vehicles. So like in North Carolina, it's a real outdoors estate. South Carolina too. But man, it's a good market for it, you know, and I'm real good at buying that, you know, seeing like what's the word for it? Seeing, you know, that little one-off thing that people might just push to the side, but like I see the good in it, you know what I'm saying? I see the potential in it, and you end up making money off of it too. So yeah, so I bought a 2006 Artic Cat 500 4-wheel drive with a snorkel kit already. It needed some carburetor, word. I'm gonna repaint it and everything. I'm gonna show you. All right, so yeah, this is 2005 Artic Cat 500cc 4-wheel drive. Like I said, it got a snorkel kit on it. It's LED headlights and everything. And I got it not too long ago. It's really finna transform. Like this will look now when I get finished with it. Finna be a whole nother bike. So one of the issues is the carburetor is clogged up. So I already got the seat off. I got the carburetor loose. It's the old carburetor, like as you can see, it's real junky and dirty. Like I took this cover right here off and looked inside of the boot, and it was so dirty inside of there. So I got the new carburetor. My first video is gonna be a carburetor install. It's in the truck. I drained the gas tank. I just let it. I let the gas drain out overnight. And what I'm finna do now is do the carburetor install. The gas going, the gas out the tank. So I'm running non-ethanol free gas. So once I get this carburetor on, I have to boost it off because I gotta get a new battery too. But I'm not gonna spend the money on the battery until I know this thing gonna fire up with the charge. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it. I'm finna get started on it. That mud, that's mud. I'm finna get started on it, y'all. All right, so okay, so this is the new carburetor right here. Like I said, it comes with new feed-in hose. It comes with the new the fuse with the pump, the return line, choke cable. I believe this is a choke cable, but I don't know. Really don't know. I know what this is. It's the throttle adjuster. Yes, it's the throttle adjuster. But yeah, so it comes with all of this, everything. I'm checking everything to see how. Make sure this chain comes down there. It's supposed to have a little hole. Yeah, there you go, right there. This hole, I gotta transfer this over. Yeah. Wait, hold up. Alright, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, so everything pretty much, it's a direct swap. From over to over. So I'm finna get on it, I'm finna get started. The first thing I gotta do is connect this throttle cable. Let me see if y'all can hear me, see me. Yeah. The first thing I'm gonna do is connect this throttle cable. Alright, so I got the carburetor connected, got the fuel lines connected. I got a leak over there. I'm gonna have to swap out some hoses. I'm gonna have to put a better hose on there. But I just got it on there to see if I can get it to start. I know it's gonna be real smoky because this thing ain't been ran in like 6 years. How many hours you got on it? Okay, 600 miles on it. Yeah, so, and I don't have the air box, the hose right here from the air box to carb, so it's not going to run right because that regulates air going into the engine. So I'm going to have to mod up the receiver. Hold up. All right, here we go. It cranks, it runs, so I'm gonna just wait. This hose right here, this, oh, let me turn the truck off. This hose, that hose right there is what regulates air into the carburetor. So right now it's running really high and really rich right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play with the, maybe I need to adjust my, move that whole thing burn up. I need to adjust my my damn, what's it called right here, my throttle cable, because I believe my throttle cable has it idling way too high right now. So I need to find a way to drop it down low, which I believe that got something to do with this right here. So I believe I need to drop this down more and then drop that down more. Yeah, so I'm gonna play with that. Matter of fact, let me see if I can do that. What time is it? I might got time to do that right now. Yeah, it's 1:30. I ain't really gotta leave till 2, so I'm gonna try to adjust this little cable right here. Throttle cable, maybe that'll get it to idle a little bit lower. But I mean, it's running this crank and shit. That's the most important part. That's the most important part right there. So how we gonna do this? You come out of there. All right. So I need to drop this down. Shouldn't be hard. I can just get it out of there. Alright. So I need to drop this down lower. And drop this thing right here down lower too. Because I know it got brought up whenever I was. I believe that's the right way, so I hope, but I ain't in a rush. Fuck, I need to do this before I get it. So that's it. I got the carburetor installed. Looks like that's all it really needed to run. So I'm gonna wait until Tuesday until I get that hose, that carburetor to airbox hose. I'm gonna put that on there and see if it has it, you know, to where it can, it regulates everything to where it's not doing going revving so damn high. It does not rev so high like that, and it's, you know, pretty much running normal. And the next issue I have to figure is that black smoke coming out the back. I have a feeling it might be the valve seats in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the hose on there. I'm gonna take it out somewhere, and I'm gonna just run it. I'm gonna just run it, and see if that clears it out. If that don't clear it out, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some valve seat stuff to some additive. I'm gonna change the oil. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the oil. I'm gonna put an additive in the oil that will release all that gunk around the valve seats and go from there. But I believe, as far as getting it running, that's about it. Let's try it one more time. And I have to regulate the air with my hand, because if I don't, it's just gonna rev up high like it does. But that's what we're getting our holder for, to fix it. That's it. It's crazy, that's all it took. Let me see if I can. Okay. Inside. Control. Take my hand. That bit's hot. Yes, so that's definitely what's. Gotta get that hose, because I'm running a snorkel. I'm running a snorkel kit. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, so that's the end of that video. Next video will be in a couple of days when the air hose come, and I'll connect the air hose and get a better fuel line so it's not leaking. And then once I get that, I'm gonna take it, load it up, find a little trail around here. I'm gonna change the oil. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the oil, take it, load it up, find a little trail, try to blow it out. The old fast way, just blow it out. Put some additive in there to make sure those valve seats are not stuck. That's what's causing it to smoke like that. But that might be, that could very well be the case, because I say there's fuel coming out. There's fuel coming out of the exhaust. I can see it like sputting out of there. But alright, that's it. So, bang.